number 105/2024 under section 316 read with 3 and 3 of BNS Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 was registered on 30th of November. Now, in this, the complainant Pritesh Lotlikar, who is having a business of making jewellery and is a resident of Pulwado, Salsed, Banavli, has filed a complaint against their own employees who were their own artisans, Karagir, wherein their names are Suprakash Mandal, Sanjoy Mandal and Tapas Jana. These were all from West Bengal. Now, they were staying in Goa for last 10 years. They were working as artisan for them. So every day, as a matter of business, gold would be given to them. They would make the gold ornaments as ordered, and it would be given to this Pritesh Lotlikar for selling. Having given the gold around 959 grams approximately on 29th of November at 10:45 p.m. They have vacated from their flat from Komba Marga where they were staying, and they had disappeared along with the full gold, all worth rupees 72 lakhs. So this was a case of criminal breach of trust and cheating. So as we took up the investigation through registration of offence at Margaon Police Station, PI Tulsidas Naik, under supervision of SDPO Margaon, Siddhant Chirodkar, the teams were formed and meticulous and speedy investigations were taken up through electronic and technical surveillance for tracing and apprehending these accused persons. The team headed by PSI Samir Gaonkar, Rizwan Sheikh, Samir Borkar and Ronit Naik, they proceeded to West Bengal for investigation. The team in Goa, headed by PI Margaon Town, Tulsidas and PSI Swadesh Desai under supervision of SDPO Madgaon and myself, were continuously monitoring through technical and electronic surveillance the movements and through collection of intelligence the probable places where they could visit. And yes, after our thorough investigation and meticulous investigation, the team which had gone to West Bengal, they were provided with required information, and team headed by PSI Samir Gaonkar through police station assistance of Habra Police Station in Kolkata. All the 3 accused persons were traced and apprehended. With brief preliminary investigations and interrogations over there, they have recovered 205.281 grams gold, all worth rupees 14,85,000 at the instance of all these 3 accused persons. The team in West Bengal produced these accused before the court. Chief Judicial Magistrate Barasat North 24 Paraganas, Kolkata, wherein they were taken on transit remand of 5 days from the court for travelling from West Bengal to Goa. Having reached today morning, the accused have been produced before the court in JMFC Margaon, and JMFC has granted them 8 days in police custody remand. The investigation is being done by PSI Shubham Gaonkar of Margaon Town Police Station under the supervision of PI, SDPO and myself. The accused are in custody. Further investigation and interrogation of these accused is undertaken to recover the leftover gold, which they have done. They have also told us in a brief this thing that we will tell where is the gold. So now today, as they have brought medical examination and all, and now produced before the court with all the case papers made ready and produced before the court, and they have been remanded to 8 days police custody. आणि ताज्या फुडले आमचे इंट्रोगेशन्स थ्रू द टीम्स is going on for recovery of the leftover gold items. सगळे कलकत्ता घेऊन गेले थोडे. गोईंग फर्दर, मडगांव टाउनान हाज्या पयलीं केस रजिस्टर केल्ली अंडर 408 क्रिमिनल ब्रीच ऑफ ट्रस्ट आनी चिटींग. तातूंत चीफ ऑफिसर ऑफ मडगांव म्युनिसिपल कावन्सील हांच्यांनी कंप्लेन दिल्ली अगेन्स्ट योगेश्वर शेटकर, हू वॉज अ LDC posted in the administration section of Margaon Municipal Council, की 18 मे 2024 या LDCन 28,70,400 रुपया कलेक्ट केल्ले फ्रॉम 299 स्टॉल ओनर्स ऑफ होली स्पिरिट चर्च फेअर ओल्ड मार्केट मारगांव held between 19th of May to 25th of May 2024, and he failed to deposit an amount of rupees 17,96,800 in the bank account of the Margaon Municipal Council, which is in HDFC Bank, and used this money for his personal use, and that's how committed breach of trust and cheated Margaon Municipal Council and misappropriated the said amount of 17 lakhs and above. During course of our investigation, we had served 41A notice to the accused person on 2 occasions. However, he was not available at his residence to receive these notices and to join in investigation. He was absconding and was not traceable for a long time. And after our thorough investigation and meticulous keeping a track on the movement of this accused, last night he came to Goa. He was most of the time in Mumbai and Pune. We got the information that at around 2 o'clock in the night he has been traced near railway station Margaon, and he has been apprehended and placed under arrest. We have also produced him before JMFC Margaon, and JMFC has remanded him into 7 days of police custody. Further investigation is in progress in this case with PSI Samir under supervision of PI Margaon Town, SDPO Margaon, and myself SP. आणि हां, हाणे जशें सांगलें, हाणें सगळे आपल्याचे जे ट्रेसिंग मार्ग आशिल्ले, सर्वेलन्साचे मार्ग आशिल्ले, हे हाणें बंद करून सोडिल्ले, आनी हांगल्ल्यांच्यानी तो फ्लॅट सोडून गेल्लो. सो ताज्या घरा ताजी आवय आशिल्ली, तो आवयच्या सुद्दां कॉन्टेक्टान नाशिल्लो, आनी सो इट टूक सो मच ऑफ टायम फॉर अस टू सी दॅट he was hiding. He was taking lot of precautions to avoid coming to the police or to cooperate with the investigation. He was, as preliminarily what we have asked him, he said that he was most of the time in Mumbai and in Pune, and yesterday he landed up. So our informants, we were all the time keeping in touch, and our informant gave a good information that he is coming, and we laid a trap, and accordingly at railway station Margaon at the exit gate we have nabbed him.
But what about the money which he has failed to deposit that money? Has he spent that money, or he has got...
Investigations are on, interrogation are then, all we will see that all the money is coming through, where he has given, where he has spent. So definitely is not just 10,000 rupees. It is 17,96,800 rupees. So he will have to give count of each and every pie, where he has either given it to someone, or has deposited it, or has spent this money. So all counts will be taken up and investigation. So for which JMFC has granted us 7 days police custody remand for facilitating investigation, and is